Hey, welcome back to RMA Garage. Really short video, and this is in response to some of the comments I got about me loading my bike up onto my Black Widow carrier during the bike review. And a couple of you guys said that it was pretty bad, and it was really bad. I tried to do it really slow, and that's not how you're supposed to do it. I was demonstrating it, but I'm gonna show you how I do this when I'm out at my riding spot. So straps are ready, everything's ready to go, except, forgot to put the straps on the bike. Okay, we're gonna fast forward to that once I get it finished. All right, straps on, everything's ready to go. Bike's in neutral. And that's how simple it is. There. I have answered the call. I am definitely redeemed of my horribleness from the first video. So you guys can know that this is really easy to load and it doesn't take much time at all. So for those of you who watched the first video, definitely buy the rack if you're looking for something easy so you don't have to get up into the bed. It's great. Buy one, click on the link below. You won't regret it. All right, guys, thanks for watching today. We'll see you in the next one.